Peace, part 3. Oh, here it is. Here it is.
That was up in the slide, and when you went up there and knocked it down.
Is the pink one up in the slide?
No.
Is it in the playground?
No. Where did you see the pink?
I don't know.
Well, retrace your steps, man.
Okay. So I walked down from the playground. I don't know. Okay, I saw pink. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I saw pink, but I don't know where the pink was. That's the thing. Can you tell me a clue? No, don't do that. Tell me a clue where it is. Yes. Mom, please. No. Please, Mom. I want it. Where did I see the dumb pink?
Pretty sure you saw the pink when you were talking to me.
What? I was talking.
When
Like
you were
up there?
talking to me about how many puppets you had. Pretty sure that's where you saw.
Yeah, that's where I saw it. let me go up here. Let me just look around.
Here, put your screen on and just pan and see if they see any pink.
Do you guys see me?
No, pan around. Like pan. Let's go. See, watch it. Let's see if you see any pink on there. Let's go this way. Watch for it. See if you see any pink.
I don't see pink. I see pink. That's not where I saw pink. I thought that was part of the table. But I saw pink somewhere else.
There it is.
Okay, guys. Hope you guys like this part 3. Bye.